MOTOROLA Revou to 109 cm, 43-inch Ultra HD 4K LED Smart Android TV. ALLM and MEMC. Featuring ALLM and MEMC, the MOTOROLA Revou to 109 cm, 43 UHD TV delivers scenes without motion blur and provides crisp images even when you are watching sports and fast-paced scenes. Sound by boat. As the audio in this TV is enhanced by boat, every visual of the scenes comes alive through the sound. So, your favorite action movie will begin to seem further interesting and engrossing. Android version 11. Thanks to Android version 11, this TV lets you quickly and conveniently access numerous apps. And with unified search, it provides content suggestions and allows you to browse through several programs and streaming apps without any hassle. 4D sound with Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, this TV renders 4D sound for you to enjoy a cinematic viewing experience. RAM, CPU, and GPU. Equipped with a MediaTek quad-core processor and an inbuilt GPU, this TV offers a smooth gaming experience without any lag or interruptions. Dolby Vision. Since this TV features Dolby Vision and HDR10, it produces high-quality pictures with a vast range of realistic colors. Low Blue Light. A low blue light feature in this TV safeguards your eyes from strain so that they don't get fatigued, letting you watch for a long time. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.